Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So I'm looking to save money. Are there government incentives or financing options for replacing poly pipes and in-floor heating or for alternative heating solutions?
Unfortunately, governments, insurance companies, nobody really wants anything to do with replacing poly piping. Ever since the class action lawsuits, they kind of washed their hands of this. But that being said, there is government incentives to move to high efficiency heating systems. So if you go with a high efficiency boiler, then there's rebates of up to a couple $1,000s. And then same with mini split heaters. Like their rebates depend on different provinces that you're in Canada, but there is a good rebates and incentives on those. Plus urban piping offers financing options. So that's kind of a win-win on both ends right there for you.
Perfect. That's great.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.